Here at ASM, we have 4 mechanics that service a fleet of 65 vehicles, including ambulances and fly cars. When we service the vehicles, we have a preventative maintenance list we go through, inspect the front end, brakes, tires, we load test the batteries, we go through all the lights, basically an overall inspection of the entire vehicle. By doing preventative maintenance, we are ensuring that both our patients and our employees are safe. ASM stocks commonly used parts to reduce downtime for vehicles. ASM has highly trained mechanics that are able to complete engine or transmission replacements in one day. During routine maintenance, we remove the stretcher and go through a list of preventative maintenance items, such as making sure all fasteners are secure, the welds are intact, no bent or broken parts, all wheels are secure and rolling properly, backrest operates properly, height position latch functions, footrests operating properly, and the safety bar as well.